Hi! In front of me is Lenovo Tab M7 and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this tablet. You need to begin by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Now type in DevCheck. Like that. After that, install this free app from this developer, DevCheck Device and System Info from Flarto. When your app is ready, open it. Now thanks to it, you can read all the informations about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!